Hashing a dictionary. For caching purposes I need to generate a cache key from get arguments which are present in a dict. Currently I'm using SHA-1 rep assorted my _dict.items. SHA-1 is a convenience method that uses hashlib internally, but I'm curious if there's a better way.
If your dictionary is not nested, you could make a frozen set with the dict's items and use hash. This is much less computationally intensive than generating the JSON string or representation of the dictionary. Update: please see the comments below why this approach might not produce a stable result.
Using sorted d.items isn't enough to get us a stable wrapper. Some of the values in D could be dictionaries too, and their keys will still come out in an arbitrary order. As long as all the keys are strings, I prefer to use. That said, if the hashes need to be stable across different machines or Python versions, I'm not certain that this is bulletproof. You might want to add the separators and ensure _ASCII arguments to protect yourself from any changes to the defaults there. I'd appreciate comments.
Edit: if all your keys are strings, then before continuing to read this answer, please see Jack O'Connor's significantly simpler and faster solution, which also works for hashing nested dictionaries. Although an answer has been accepted, the title of the question is hashing a Python dictionary, and the answer is incomplete as regards that title. As regards the body of the question, the answer is complete. Nested dictionaries. If one searches Stack Overflow for how to hash a dictionary, one might stumble upon this aptly titled question, and leave unsatisfied if one is attempting to hash multiply nested dictionaries. The answer above won't work in this case, and you'll have to implement some sort of recursive mechanism to retrieve the hash. Here is one such mechanism. Bonus: hashing objects and classes. The hash function works great when you hash classes or instances. However, here is one issue I found with hash as regards objects. The hash is the same, even after I've altered foo. This is because the identity of foo hasn't changed, so the hash is the same. If you want foo to hash differently depending on its current definition, the solution is to hash off whatever is actually changing. In this case, the _dict_ attribute. Alas, when you attempt to do the same thing with the class itself. The class _dict_ property is not a normal dictionary. Here is a similar mechanism as previous that will handle classes appropriately. You can use this to return a hash tuple of however many elements you'd like. Note, all of the above code assumes Python 3.s. Did not test in earlier versions, although I assume make_hash will work in, say, 2.7.2. As far as making the examples work, I do know that. Should be replaced with.
The code below avoids using the Python hash function because it will not provide hashes that are consistent across restarts of Python. See hash function in Python 3.3 returns different results between sessions. Make_hashable will convert the object into nested tuples, and make_hash_SHA-256 will also convert the repr to a base 64 encoded SHA-256 hash.